on my wig, it does not mean we are the same. You spend your money and do your body, and me do my body, and our body look good. It still does not mean we are the same.
Same. Not no go so.
We are not the same.
Not no go so.
You have to listen to the song properly. We got the same things. We are not the same things.
So when the song ever release?
Song never revised yet.
Jesus. Oh, me believe that's why I never want to sing a song.
But that's like the part where I say, me no ordinary, me in a different category. Y'all feel watch me like a me and them inquiry. Factory daddy lily. Me a feel.
Pussy clad.
Why?
I know it's gonna be a hit because Marco is there. Marco does, you know.
But I only my fans them can. Cause right now when me depend on a different level. Me not in a run up and down and a fuss and a cuss. That's why I want to get them for focus. This is a focus year.
Me tell them that for a couple of days now. Focus.
Yes, it's a COVID. Yes. Me
Mama.
and you now go make me take up my life ago. Me and you now. We're not doing that. We are not the same.
Mama, me tired for tell them.
My brain depend on a different planet.
Mama, me tired for tell them. Mama, me tired for tell them.
Money me a deal with.
Me see there?
Focus on money me a deal with.
Everything what you say right now from the ear start, me a beat and I try to tell them years. And some of them like still just act fucking dumb. Me tell them say Spice.
So what you gonna tell me? Say you know like a girl you stay at your yard all day and dip on your Instagram, dip on your Insta page or watch your page and
fake page. Fake page. Some of them are wasting.
And that the time they could have used and make some money. When I come on the live me here, you tell them to go start a little business and do something and sell something and them still have a problem with it, but some of them want to hide and sell pussy and them come go on like so them not sell it.
Pussy
Hey, laugh up. Pull up on them out, let them know. You've been one.
We are not the same. We have the same things, but we are not the same.
Spice, me tell them say from the ear start, me tell them say Marco, me tell them say energy is expensive. Me don't have the time for wasting on.
Yeah, man.
Energy is expensive. Me don't have the time for wasting on.
100.
Simple like that. Blood clot.
A few days ago,
blood clot.
A few days ago, we were going into a new year. The year done. A couple days from now, you're going to hear we start say the year done again. So, who no can stay there waste full time to worry about people and a plan. But me not depend that with on money me I deal with. Depend on a different level, me not different level.
Damn. No waste energy.
All of them the same to me. Them a secondary, got to me, them temporary. Different category, different category, different in a different category.
Alright, that's right there. So Saturday night, Amazura, right? That's right there.
Yeah.
Jada Kingdom, big up yourself. Amazura nightclub. Big up the promoter SDMC. Just come
right.
to Queen and check out Jada Kingdom. Two big batia bunks on the stage, and that's right there. Show sold out. The girl let know we are not heels. Can we straight whining? We celebrate the new year and focus on the bag. And that's right there.
Pussy
enjoyment me I deal with. Happy life.
Right.
Before I go. You see me?
Yeah.
Me not have no time to fly up in a God face. Me just want to say this and make it be very clear.
Right.
Me nah kill up myself with negative energy. Because you see, if me kill up myself with negativity and negative energy, me
right.
fly up in a God face.
Right.
Me want to explain to you before I go. Because me man all the while me come talk.
Yeah, we're ready now. We're here.
Me not have time to fly up in a God face.
Mm-hmm.
Once upon a time, I had $0 in my bank account. Today, I can say I'm rich.
Bumbo.
Once upon a time, me, Gracie, had one pair of shoes. My closet is messy right now. I don't have any space. I don't know where to put them. Clothes that when me have to bag up every day and I take out of my closet for give out the place where I place them out of goodwill.
Brother, where the sound effects there, brother?
Pussy club. Guana, Spice that now?
No, I want the people them understand. See how far me I come from. Hungry days, one pair of shoes.
Right.
Nothing at all. Look
Right.
at account and $0 there. They can't feed me pity them. You see when I wake up in the morning today, like now in my life,
Yeah.
my man go downstairs and make me breakfast.
Pussy club.
My bed is expensive. We can't roll up and
Pussy club. And now drop.
my kids are happy. They're comfortable. When I go to the doctor and I do my checkup, no sickness.
Whoa, thank God.
I am healthy. For Christmas the other day, I gave my mother almost $2 million.
Pussy club.
Why you think me go come with a negative energy and a stress and it's not going to happen. I am comfortable in life. I am grateful to God, and that is where it's gonna stay. No negative energy can come my way. In a different category, I'm gonna claim my blessings.
True, the water that's
Blessings
right.
me I claim. You know, no distraction. Me not depend on distraction. Mama talk about my nice mouth.
Yeah, I teeth them white too.
Real.
Yeah.
No white alone. Real. Never go. Never go. Say me beat him too. True say you teeth them white. I say real. Him say you clock me.
I want to go on then.
Never go with your teeth pretty. True me say me teeth them real.
So what?
Welcome people, for your device you know see a Dancehall Vibes represent for Oval the fashion boss. If you want to see more good video like this one, just subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when a video just drop. And if you like it, I'm out.